Do you like modern design and you're looking for a new craft project? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make these really easy grid earrings. Hi and welcome to Craft with Catherine. So today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy grid earrings. You can find the free pattern on my blog. I'll put a link below as well as a link to all the materials that I'm using. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and well, let's get started. You just need to head over to my blog. I'll put a link below and then you just scroll down to the sign up page right here and then you just enter in your name and email address and the free file will be sent right away to your inbox. Open up Cricut Design Space, go to upload, go to upload images and then select the file from it will probably be in your download file. And then afterwards, you'll see it show up here. So then select uploaded, add to canvas. And here you'll see the files. So I recommend selecting ungroup. And now you can turn the layers on and off depending on what you want to cut out first. So I'm just going to work one earring at a time, but you can cut out both. So I'm just starting with the bottom layer. Then I'm selecting Make It. And in the Prepare window, you can now, it'll show you where it'll show up on your mat. So I'm going to move it here. And then select Continue. Now in the Make window, you can select whatever preset you need for your material. I'm going to select faux leather, paper thin, and more. And now I can press the C button on the Cricut machine to cut out the fabric. So here you can see I've cut out the design. So before I remove it from the mat, I just want to make sure that it's been cut out because I can always send it through a second time to cut again. So here I went ahead and cut out the two layers. This is the faux leather that I'll be putting on the bottom, and I'm going to put some foil on top. So I cut out the grid pattern in the adhesive, and I also cut out a circle in the adhesive to put on the back so that if the earring flips around, it'll be shiny on the back. I'm just going to grab some parchment paper. I'm going to put the circle bad side up. I'm going to put the adhesive on top of the circle and then place a layer of parchment down. And now I'm going to iron. So it depends on the setting for whatever material you plan to use. For the foil, it has to be on medium, but if you're using heat and bond, it would be lower. So I'm just going to set that aside to cool. So I peeled off the plastic and now I'm going to put the foil on top and press with the mini iron. So I'm going to leave this to cool before peeling off the foil. So this is cold to touch now. So I'm going to peel away the foil. And I'm going to press it a second time. It doesn't need as long, just 5 seconds. And I find this helps prevent the foils from flaking. And it also picks up the texture of the fabric, which gives it a nice appearance. So now I'm going to flip this over and now I can get started on the front. So I'm going to place the grid pattern on top, put the parchment over it and press it for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I've peeled off the plastic layer, just going to put the foil on top, put a layer of parchment paper and then press for around 20 seconds. Now that it's cool, I'm going to carefully peel back the foil. And now I'm going to Press it a second time. So here you can see the finished earring. So sometimes the hole will cut and sometimes it won't, depending on the thickness of the material. If it doesn't, just take a small craft hole punch and put a hole. Now you want to grab a jump ring. I'm using 4mm jump ring today. Just give it a twist to open. And then you layer the earring. And then you can layer the earring hook. And then you just give it a twist to close. So as you can see, these earrings are really easy to make. They look great in a variety of materials and fabrics. So here I'm just showing you a variety of different color patterns and designs. This one I made with faux suede and adhesive heat transfer vinyl. And this one I made with faux leather, heat and bond, and the grid pattern is also done in faux leather. These two are done in metallic foil, and this one is also done with 2 layers of faux leather. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.